We have a really rich heritage and really rich history. I think to come here and visit our coastline, especially the coastline, is just beautiful because you learn a lot, our heritage, our history, and of course the land, the islands, the whole Croatia is still unexplored, so we have a lot to offer.
We walked up here and beautiful views and olive groves and old homes and, you know, falling down homes. It was really beautiful.
Smell this. Does that smell good?
Wild rosemary.
Oh my gosh.
That's what's been like sticking me in the butt all the way up. But I smell great.
Dory with green peas puree, baby carrots, potato wedges.
Yeah, it can be challenging, of course it can, especially since the islands of Croatia are very hilly, so we're kind of undulating a lot. But people just take it easy. We make it easy for them by supporting them a lot. After all, we are a big family for the 7 days, and we like to say to our guests and advise them just to take it easy. It's their vacation, so they should just enjoy. Otherwise, they miss all the beauty that is surrounding them.
I turboed up. It was fun. Once you go up and
Yeah.